Parating yan. Sabi ko nga, kung malapit lang sana, malayo kasi mababa.
School for boys.
Nakabisita ka na dito?
Elderly.
Last week.
I don't share this testimony very often, but my sister and I, we have a brother who from the time, I remember from the time he was 17.
Ate Liz. Hindi ako naririnig ni Ate Liz. Ate Liz, huwag kang tatanong.
Ate Lisa, magunustili ka.
Ate, dadating din siya.
Oo. Huwag ka mag-alala.
That's another piece.
Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Okay, mag-take na lang po tayo sa... Kailangan ko madama ang pag-ibig mo. Kailangan ko...
Why don't you give love on Christmas Day, Christmas Day?
Hold along the street to the couple anchors. Only two with one hope. Give love.
Big pastor ko. How long?
We've been doing 18 years.
Whoa.
I've been since 2007.
But we've been doing it 18
As believers, because the Holy Spirit's in us, the Holy Spirit's God, and we're His vessels, so we have authority. We don't think of that. I've learned so much from John.